Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. This video we're going to have a look at this really nice iClever foldaway keyboard. Looks like a normal portable keyboard, but it folds away. So we're going to have a look at what you get with the box and how well it works with an iPad, and we'll try it with Windows as well. So in the box you get the keyboard in this nice little velvet style pouch and a micro USB cable for charging. So that's the thing, this nice little bag that it comes in, so you can put it in your bag and it's not going to get scratched or chipped or whatever. It's a nice way of protecting it, and yeah, I quite like that. So in terms of size, well, let me compare this to my phone, a Lumia 1520. This is a 6-inch phone. You can see it's smaller, and this is an iPad mini. And you can see again, it's nice and small. It's a bit thicker than an iPad mini, but that's in its unfolded state. So it unfolds like that, and that activates it straight away. There's a single micro USB port there for charging, and actually it works in 3 modes. It works with Android, Windows and iOS. And there's combinations, function keys on here. You've got the page down, that kind of thing. And then you've got a simple connect button. So to connect it paired up, you hold down FN and the C button, and then your device can see it works as a keyboard. So here I've got it connected to an iPad, and it's really simple to get typing with. You know, it's nice and fast. I've tried some other Bluetooth keyboards in the past and found them sometimes it would lag, but there's no lag on this. It's typing as fast as I can type. You can see on here, there's the iPad. You can see it is as fast as I can type. And now there's a few different modes that you can do it in. So if you hold down FN on iOS, let's put it in iOS mode, which means you can do things like search, which brings up the search on the iPad. So you can see that I can do things like the volume up button, volume down, and we've got the transport controls. So you can do all the things that you would need to with the keyboard. So that works really well on iOS. Take you back to the home screen. So that's on iOS, and we'll try it on Windows in a sec. Well, first about the keyboard itself. The key is actually well defined. There's no gaps between them, so you can actually type quite fast on it. The only criticism I have is find it's very flat. I prefer it to be raised up a bit, but then so maybe a little stand on the back there would have been better, and at a sort of raised angle. But apart from that, you really can't complain because of its portability. You fold it up like that, it switches it off automatically, put it in the bag, and job done. Automatically switches it on. So it's a really nice little keyboard. Let me fire up my Windows tablet and we'll try that. So here's my Windows 10 tablet, and I'll do the discovery mode. So you press the Windows button and C, and that puts it into discovery mode. Your little blue light flashes on there. There's the keyboard ready to pair. And that's it. Probably about ready. Let's just check. So we'll fire up something to test it. Let's try Word. In Windows mode, you can use the F keys on it. So you just hit that one, and so you can do like the F1 key in Windows. Actually, what I did find as well, if you put it in Android or iOS mode, the F1 key activates sort of the shortcuts that you'd expect in Windows, like the Cortana key is the search button on here, brings up the search button on there. The media transport controls work, and the volume and things like that. So you get all the sort of tablet key features on there. So I mean, the great thing about this is a little Windows 10 tablet, and you get sort of 70 odd quid Windows 10 tablets. This keyboard itself is about 20 quid. I'll check the exact price in a second. And you've got a full little workstation there. You've got a Windows tablet running all Windows desktop apps as well as mobile apps, and you've got a full sort of keyboard to use. you haven't got a mouse, but you could use a Bluetooth mouse, but to be honest I find Windows in tablets mode you don't need it anyway, and you've got this great little keyboard. The exact price is $23.99 on Amazon, and I really like it. I'm definitely keeping this bag. It's a good idea for a Christmas gift. It feels well made, it folds away, it doesn't feel flimsy. Works with Android, iOS, Windows, and it works with Windows 10 phone as well, Windows 10 mobile. I've been using it on my Lumia. And you could eventually turn a tablet and a low-cost Windows tablet or your iPad or whatever into a full workstation. So definitely recommended. That's the iClever keyboard.